Hello and welcome guys. I'm Engineer Khalil. In this video, I will tell you a shortcut method or an automated method to find the finest modulus and PSD curve, which is particle size distribution curve. In other words, sieve analysis. So here in this video, I'm gonna solve this example. We have the sieve size in millimeters and the weight retained in grams. So we will calculate the other parameters that are required in sieve analysis through an Excel sheet. So let me show you on the screen. I will click this one. So I will give you the link in the description. Okay, so this is Excel sheet for sieve analysis of aggregate, and here you can see the fine aggregate and the coarse aggregate, right? So let's insert our data right here. So we have 73.8 on the sieve number, on the sieve size 9.5. Then we have 143.6. Then we have 300.8. Then we have 843.8. Then we have 571.8. Then we have 673.6. 299.6 and then 90. Okay, so here you can see it has calculated everything automatically, like the cumulative weight retain, the cumulative percent retain, and then the cumulative percentage passing on each sieve. And then we have the PSD curve right here. Here you can see the fineness modulus value, that is 3.18. So it is very shortcut and convenient method to find out the finest modulus and particle size distribution. I hope you will like this short video. Please give this video a thumb up and subscribe to my channel if you are new. Thanks a lot.